Hello everyone, this is the E0509 and here's my new airgun. But first let me show you what's the idea of this one. Okay, first of all I wanted to make a gun that shoots a few times, so I will need a magazine. Okay, I need a magazine and I want to shoot nail darts, and here the back end it's off, so you can't put this in a magazine and hope for it to cycle reliably. You make it jam stuck. Yeah, okay, so I can't do that, but I can cycle this and the bullet will be in the cartridge. Oops. Okay, so what I will have is a gun that cycles this, and because of that it will cycle the bullet inside. Yeah, sounds simple. Okay, one good thing about this system is you can feed it all kinds of ammunition. Bullets. Okay, you can put in marbles. Yeah, but why put one when you can put like 5? This is wrong end. Oh no, there's a bullet inside. And the last one will have a bit of a, yes, so it holds. Okay, so you put this in the gun and it will shoot 5. It will shoot 5 and have a shotgun effect. Yeah, marbles. We're going to try that next. Hello everyone, this is the E0509 and here's the homemade airgun. It's mostly finished. Yes, it is finished. It's functioning, but these are all just mostly prototypes because even the trigger is just a piece of pipe with a rope around it. Yeah, and here, oh yeah, I didn't see that one. I guess everyone would like to see the gun shoot at least, so I guess here it is, 3 shots. Oops. Okay, so chamber down.